Why is China building artificial islands in the South China Sea? As we uncover the motivations, geopolitical implications, and environmental concerns surrounding this contentious issue. To understand the situation, let's first establish the context. The South China Sea is a strategically vital body of water, rich in natural resources and a crucial shipping route. It's bordered by several countries, including China, Vietnam, the Philippines, Malaysia, Brunei, and Taiwan. Each lays claim to various parts of the sea, leading to overlapping territorial disputes. Territorial claims. China's assertiveness in the region has been particularly pronounced in recent years. One of the most visible manifestations of this assertiveness is the construction of artificial islands in the South China Sea. But why is China undertaking such a massive endeavor? Several factors come into play. First, motivations behind China's actions. Firstly, China seeks to bolster its territorial claims and assert its sovereignty over the disputed waters. By constructing these islands, China effectively establishes a physical presence in areas where its maritime claims overlap with those of neighboring countries. Second, China's 9-dash line. Central to China's claims is the controversial 9-dash line, which delineates its perceived territory in the South China Sea. Building artificial islands allows China to reinforce its assertion of sovereignty within this expansive maritime boundary. Third, interviews with experts. I had the opportunity to speak with geopolitical experts to gain further insights into China's motivations. According to them, another key driver behind China's island-building activities is strategic military expansion. Fourth, military significance. These artificial islands serve as forward operating bases, enabling China to project power and assert control over the region. They provide strategic locations for military installations, including airstrips, radar facilities, and harbors, thereby enhancing China's ability to monitor and respond to regional developments. Fifth, international response. The international community has closely monitored China's activities in the South China Sea, expressing concerns over escalating tensions and potential security threats. Several countries, including the United States and Japan, have conducted freedom of navigation operations to challenge China's excessive maritime claims. Sixth, geopolitical implications. The situation in the South China Sea remains a flashpoint for geopolitical tensions, with the potential to disrupt regional stability and international trade routes. Efforts to resolve territorial disputes through diplomacy have been largely unsuccessful, exacerbating existing tensions and raising the specter of conflict. Conclusion. In conclusion, China's construction of artificial islands in the South China Sea is driven by a combination of strategic, territorial, and geopolitical considerations. While China asserts its sovereignty and enhances its military capabilities, the environmental and security implications of these actions cannot be ignored. Thanks for watching.